दस ऐसी चीजें जो अगर आप बोरिंग फील कर रहे हैं तो डेफिनेटली कर सकते हो। आप एक लैंग्वेज स्ट्रॉन्ग कर पाओगे, आप लोगों के साथ कॉन्वर्सेशन बहुत अच्छे से कर पाओगे। आई डोंट इवन रिमेंबर हाउ मेनी प्लांट्स आई हैव, समटाइम्स आई डोंट गेट टाइम टू टॉक टू देम एंड दे गेट सैड। 10 ऐसी चीजें जो अगर आप बोरिंग फील कर रहे हैं तो डेफिनेटली कर सकते हो, और ये आपकी लाइफ में भी इन जनरल आपको बहुत हेल्प करने वाली। तो क्या है वो 10 चीजें, चलिए देखते हैं। नंबर 1 है रीडिंग बुक्स। अब रीडिंग बुक्स मतलब रीडिंग बुक्स नहीं है, आप एक लैंग्वेज स्ट्रॉन्ग कर पाओगे, आप लोगों के साथ कॉन्वर्सेशन बहुत अच्छे से कर पाओगे, बिकॉज आप कॉन्टिन्यूसली रीडिंग कर रहे हो, तो आपकी रीडिंग स्किल्स अच्छी हो रही है और आपकी वोकैबुलरी भी अच्छी हो रही है। सो आपको क्या करना है, विन विन सिचुएशन है। तो आपको अगर लगता है कि आप पढ़ सकते हो तो ये बेस्ट चीज है स्कूल लाइफ में करने के लिए। अगर आपको लगता है कि नहीं बुक्स तो नहीं होंगी तो गार्डनिंग कर लो। गार्डनिंग इतना पीसफुल होता है। I don't even remember how many plants I have. Sometimes I don't get time to talk to them and they get sad. Right? They get sad. वो मुरझा जाते हैं। They're like, कहाँ पर हो, कब? So literally you can talk to your plants. So gardening is the best thing that anybody can do in their life, and also it's eco-friendly. You are doing your contribution to the society. So go get some plants and take care of them. Thirdly, you can do cooking and baking. And I simply love cooking and baking for my close ones and for myself also. But I don't get time often. And whenever I get time, I choose to cook. Even if it's Maggie, you can try that. You could be, even especially for boys, I would like to tell you that you should know cooking. It's not a gender specific thing कि हम खाना नहीं बना. It's an art. It requires an artistic approach to it, right? Like the garnishing, the dressing, and I don't know how to call them, but definitely you should try them. On the fourth number, we have you should ride a bike or maybe a bicycle, since most of you don't have a driving license because you're not the legal age right now. Or maybe you can just choose to go for a walk simply. When you can choose to go for a walk, it simply means कि आप अपनी हेल्थ को भी अच्छा रख रहे हो, you are making it a habit, then you can run marathons, you can win medals, and you can keep yourself healthy. It's as simple as that. On the fifth, we have solve puzzle. Now, solving puzzles make you so much concentrated. It increases the capability of your brain to retain more, things in life in general. So आप बहुत अच्छे puzzle solve कर सकते हो. Like I'll tell you this one thing. I have a cousin who's like in the 5th standard right now, and he have so many puzzles to solve. Every time I'm visiting me, I'm solving the puzzles. We're enjoying so much, and I'm so refreshed. I'm enjoying my life. I am teaching back to back 2-3 chapters. I am so energized. So puzzles, put you in a different zone. You are now happy and celebrating. On the 6th number, we have resume your hobby. Any hobby that you think you can do. It could be simply just painting the wall. Yes, mummy paint nahi karne degi. समझाओ ना. Start painting on a paper. It is as simply as baking, cooking, riding, कुछ भी हो सकता है, but please have a hobby. At least have a hobby, right? On the 6th number, learn a new language. Now, this is very complicated. Almost all schools have a language policy these days that they are teaching you certain language. But you can be a better version of that, right? If your school is not concentrating on teaching a new language, you can obviously do that on YouTube. There are multiple free sources for that. And obviously, you can consider the more impactful which is already being taught to you. You can move to the advanced level of that language, right? On the 8th number, watch a movie. Favorite आएगी तो सबका. Now you can watch a movie every time you're feeling bored. So have a movie which will motivate you to do better. Do not watch movie जिनका कोई conclusion ही नहीं है. I'm not saying specifically for some movies. If it motivates you to do better, if it puts you in a different zone, तो definitely watch a movie. On 9th rank, I think it should be on the first because इससे देख के parents तो बड़ा खुश हो जाते हैं. Clean your room. Yes. क्लीनिंग ए रूम पुट्स यू इन अ डिफरेंट जोन ऑफ प्रोडक्टिविटी. अगर आप अपना रूम क्लीन रखते हो ना तो आपकी बॉडी ऑटोमेटिकली बहुत प्रोडक्टिव हो जाती है. अगर आपका रिटेंशन एक चैप्टर का ना तो आपकी बॉडी 4 चैप्टर रिटेन कर लेगी. बोलेगी वाह दिमाग की शक्तियां, जादू हो गया हमारे. 10th वी हैव अ मेक अ बकेट लिस्ट एंड अचीव देम. यू शुड डेफिनेटली व्हेनेवर यू आर बोर्ड ना तो आप 5 चीजें ऐसी करो जो आपको अचीव करने हैं. लाइक यू do 5 things that you have to achieve in this coming week or a month, and then you obviously achieve them. आपने बनाया and आपने अचीव करा. तो ये कुछ चीजें करके देखो, बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है, आई नो. So I'll see you in another video with more such funny things and suggestions. So I'll see you next time. Thank you so much everyone, and bye bye, take care.